Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload data from Google Sheets or Excel into Notion, transforming your spreadsheets into a fully functional Notion database. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to bring your existing data into Notion in just a few simple steps, so you can make organizing, managing, and collaborating on your information a breeze. Let's dive right in. We'll start on your computer with the data you want to import. Maybe it's your project tracker, a habit log, or even a budget spreadsheet. In my example, I already have a Google Sheets file that I've saved as a CSV. If you're working with an Excel file, the process is practically the same. CSV stands for comma-separated values, which is just a simple format that makes transferring data between programs really easy. So if you're looking at your Google Sheets or Excel right now, pause for a moment to ensure your file is saved as a CSV. In Google Sheets, you'll head up to File, choose Download, and select Comma-Separated Values, CSV, Current Sheet. In Excel, just pick Save As, and select CSV in the File Type dropdown. This step matters because Notion loves CSVs. It reads them cleanly, so your columns and rows come through perfectly. Don't worry if your sheet has quite a bit of data. Even hundreds of rows import smoothly. Now, let's head over to Notion. Open up the Workspace or page where you want to bring in your data. You'll notice three little dots in the top right corner, kind of like the Settings or More Options button. Click on those, and a menu will pop up. Among the choices, you'll see Import. That's what you're looking for. Go ahead and click Import. Next, Notion will show you a list of file types you can bring in: Google Sheets, CSV, Excel, and a few others. For our demo, we're going to stick with CSV, but if you wanted, you could select Google Sheets directly, and Notion would connect to your Google account. That's pretty handy if you want to skip saving the file manually. For now, select CSV, and Notion will prompt you to choose your file. Find the CSV you just saved, select it, and press Open. This part might take a few moments if your file is large, so don't worry if you see a little loading spinner. Notion will read your CSV and instantly create a new database with all your data mapped into columns. Your column headers, like name, date, or status, will become fields in your Notion database. Everything that was in your spreadsheet is now ready for you to filter, sort, and customize in Notion. Take a second to look at your imported database. Sometimes you might want to adjust the column types. For example, converting a date column from plain text to an actual date property in Notion, which makes it much easier to schedule or filter later on. If your data needs a little cleanup, that's easy to do right here. It's just like moving your notes from a regular notebook into a smart, searchable digital folder. And that's really all there is to it. You've brought your spreadsheet into Notion, and now you can use all of Notion's powerful features, like relations, rollups, or Kanban views, on your imported data. Whether you're tracking tasks, managing clients, or keeping tabs on expense reports, this method saves you tons of time and lets you work the way you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Notion tips and productivity guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with a tricky import. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video.